Content marketing has become a crucial pillar for every online business. But how do you know if you're tracking the right metrics in order to determine what blogs and other online content you should be creating in order to drive the best traffic to your website? We've talked to a bunch of SEO and content experts in order to determine the metrics that matter most right now. We've used that information to put together a series of SEO and content focused Google Sheets dashboard templates you can access for free from our website. You can see these SEO templates and many more that connect to live SEO and marketing systems on our website right here. Today, I'm going to show you 4 of those templates and cover 5 key metrics that matter to every content and SEO expert. The first metric we're going to look at is organic rankings. How is your website ranking organically on Google based on different common keywords and queries that people are searching on Google? Here you can see high-level impressions and clicks metrics, as well as a breakdown for top queries. You can even filter to see the details of a specific query. The second metric that matters is SEO impressions. This dashboard is also powered by Google Search Console and will bring in a live feed of your weekly impressions that are being generated on Google Search. Our third metric is organic CTR or click-through rate. This is measured as the percentage of users that are seeing your impressions on Google Search and then actually clicking the link to go to your website. I love this template because it also connects to Google Search Console and it'll show you a weekly breakdown of how many impressions and clicks you're getting. Our final template today will actually cover our last 2 metrics. This template is powered by Google Analytics for website traffic data. And the first metric we're going to look at here is your website channel traffic and the breakdowns of it. Here we can see high-level KPIs of how many sessions, how many new users and existing users you're getting to your website each month, as well as a breakdown by channel. For example, what website channels are bringing users to your website, and even what device type are they on when they're visiting your website. Our fifth type of metric that matters most to SEO and content right now is about your top landing pages. This is covered in the bottom half of this same dashboard, where we can see a clean view of our top landing pages for this month that are bringing in website traffic, as well as some key related metrics, such as what is the bounce rate, or how many people are exiting this landing page without clicking or navigating to other pages, as well as average session duration in seconds. So you can see which landing pages are resulting in users spending the most time on your website. To make this dashboard and any of the other ones that I covered today even more powerful, we can open Coefficient from the top extensions menu and set this up on an automatic data refresh. Here in Coefficient, you can see that we have 4 Google Analytics 4 imports powering this template. And if I click this refresh button, I can actually set a refresh schedule so that all 4 of these import tabs will update once a day at 9 a.m. Awesome. Now this dashboard will refresh without us even having to come in and open the spreadsheet day to day. I hope that this information on top SEO and content metrics, along with our free Google Sheets and Excel templates, will help you and your content team make better decisions for your website. Thank you.